kasi I know you know the basic rules of basketball, right? So you know the traveling violation. Maybe one of the reasons is because you're thinking too much. Okay, that's why you're traveling. And what keeps you from driving the basket? Ano, natatakot ka mag-fumble, foul? What do you think is the reason? Yan, ipapasok mo ba niya? Yan. Bakit ka nagugulat? Are you scared of committing mistakes? Yun. Kailangan have to have a positive mindset. Whenever you step on the court, always have a positive mindset. Kasi kapag negative mindset agad, isip mo when you think about, I'm going to commit a mistake, maybe I might get a turnover, it will really happen. That's why whenever you step on the court, make sure that you will do good. Kung mag-make ka ng mistake, bawi na lang. Okay? Is how to catch the ball properly. So pag kinatch mo, coach, split catch. Yan. What we need to do, para pwede nito gamitin, pwede ko rin ito. O pwede ka. Split. Yan! Oh! Dali! Yan! Oh! There you go! Split catch! Go! Yun! There you go! This represents hand. Every time na merong hand, huwag ka papayag. Swing. Go. Yeah. Okay. Go. Habang magulo, dapat kaya mo pa rin i-control yung brain mo. What's ano nito? Go! Uy! Uy! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!